Hey! Park here! Oga, say park here!
This man!
Me, I dey tell you park here, abi? Oga, open this car. Open this car. Oga. So, Mr. Man, who are you?
Who are me?
I'm asking you who are you? What do you do for a living? How did you get this car? What is your name?
Officer, my name is Chief Agidiba, aka Importer Exporter.
Okay.
Yeah, and I.
What's your business?
What is my business?
Yes, I'm talking to you.
Officer, I'm into Bitcoin.
Into Bitcoin?
Yes, I'm into Bitcoin. I trade my Bitcoin with JTech, the #1 and safest place where you can trade your Bitcoin. They don't trade on WhatsApp, they don't trade on Instagram. Just go to their website, www.jtechtrade.com. If you trade with them, they don't credit you. And they have been the one crediting me all this while.
No wahala now.
Yes, sir.
You go credit DPO for station. Make we dey go station. DPO need credit. You go on the car. Let's go fast. Just
This man!
Put this thing down. You're telling me what you don't know. Which kind of thing is this one?
This man! Stop it, juju be that.
Oh yeah, no wahala now. Why don't I finish? You tell me.
Officer, where are you going to?
70 years old man. Hey! Jesus Christ.
Officer, Officer, wait, what just happened? In the presence of an officer of the law, I was robbed? My car? Is it possible? I can't believe it, officer.
Yes, but you believed it now. Okay, me, I tell you, as an officer of the law, I tell you, say back here. You go back there. Me, what tell you, say back here. I no get sense. You know, say for there, they thief people motor and people phone.
What is the difference between here and here?
Here is here. There is there. It is wide.
See, officer, I don't have time for this. You have to help me because my phone is in that car. My everything, all my business transaction, my business information, everything.
Yeah. Now to put your phone number. Now give me your phone number.
Phone number is 0.
Stop it, juju be that.
And it is on this car with the go station now. On our fast. On this car with the go station. Now, why don't I finish? You go tell me. Later now.
Officer.
Hey! Okay. Wait. So you there for there? Your fellow civilian thief officer to law phone. You don't enter problem.
You be mumu.
My only phone.
Hey!
No, na me fuck up.
sum it up with my I'm gonna pay. Things say they wise. You are a mumu man.
Welcome to Dara's collection.
Baby boy, please wait there. You want to please others and displease us and displease yourself.
No, na me fuck up.